Good morning. My name is Chartpunk and this is your daily dose of Bitcoin. Today is the 17th of February. Let's start on the weekly Bitcoin chart. Most importantly, what we should see here is that yesterday the bulls have touched this magic 25, 200, 300 zone, which is the previous high in the complete bear trend since 2021. This is very important because it shows to us that also in the price action perspective, the trend is changing and we are most likely seeing a consolidation phase here on the Bitcoin market. If we focus on the trend structure, then what we can see is that it is still looking very, very nice. The consensus moving averages, which are the 30, the 7 and the 3 period moving averages, are aligned in a bullish trend structure. The Chartpunk trading system is printing green candles, which is indicating a bullish momentum on the Bitcoin market. RSI is looking very nice. It is above its moving averages and rising. And the Chartpunk momentum oscillator, which is my own momentum oscillator, it has crossed into bullish territory here in July and has not gone back to the bearish side since then. Right now it is a little bit leaning down, which is indicating bearish momentum switch on the high time frame Bitcoin chart, but we still have 2 days left from the week, so that is all for the weekly chart. 3-day Bitcoin chart, what we see here is a clear distribution zone. This zone here right now is showing to us that there is a ton of supply in this zone. We see these previous weeks in this area. Whenever the price has reached this zone, the sellers have always entered the market and pushed the price lower. This is what we are seeing now exactly on the 3-day chart. And why this zone is very important is the following. If I pull this zone back here, then we can see that this zone has been a supply zone already in the August of 2022. And why is this important? Because above this zone, there is basically nothing until this $28,000 level. So in my opinion, if the bulls are able to push above this zone, then there will be a tons of stop loss liquidations in this area. And basically, if Bitcoin is able to get over this zone, then it will be just one step to get to the $28,000 zone level. And that is a very, very important level. As I indicated to you yesterday, in the 28,000 zone is currently the volume weighted average price of Bitcoin, which is calculated for the complete downtrend since 2021. So if Bitcoin is able to touch this zone, that would mean a complete mean reversion in the complete downtrend, similar to what we have seen here. This was a failed breakout. We just faked out above the volume weighted average price and then fell back down. And since then, we did not have any mean reversion to this level. So this could be very, very interesting in the long term. 1-day Bitcoin chart, what we see here is that the moving averages have started to align back into a fully bullish structure. That is very nice. Chartpunk momentum oscillator has crossed up to bullish territory, which on the daily chart is showing again some bullish momentum. The Chartpunk momentum oscillator has crossed down here on the 26th of January, and since then it has been staying in a bearish territory, and now it has entered back in the bullish zone. And what we see on the RSI is that this bearish trend is now over in the momentum with this previous high, which is higher than this high. We have broken this RSI downtrend. The RSI is currently in the 60 level, which is strong, but I would like to get the RSI back above 66, which is a really, really strong zone in momentum perspective. For our Bitcoin chart, I have to say that those of you who are swing trading the 4-hour Bitcoin chart can really make money, some serious money in this market, because the 4-hour chart is just perfect. Bitcoin is moving so nicely on the 4-hour chart that there are no real words for it. As you remember here, we were on support and we had a divergence between the RSI and the price action. And I have indicated both on Twitter and in my videos that if we break this RSI downtrend, which consisted of the series of these lows, then I'm expecting a breakout. And look what happened. Bam, the moving averages have crossed over and we had this very, very nice move. And right now, just yesterday evening before going to bed, I tweeted out this divergence. Price action has reached the resistance zone of the $25,000 area. There was a fake out here. Price action was clearly divergent. See here how the RSI has started to descend while the price has been still ascending. Chartpunk momentum oscillator has crossed down and bam, price came down $1,000. Bitcoin is beautiful today or during these weeks on the 4-hour chart. Those of you swinging the 4-hour chart can make some serious money on the Bitcoin market in these days. Thank you very much for watching. I hope these daily Bitcoin updates are useful for you. If you like this daily content, then please subscribe, hit the like button, and leave me a comment for the YouTube algorithm. Have a great day. Happy trading. Bye-bye.